Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to disable sound effects on Twitter. It's simple. First of all, you just need to log in your account in Twitter mobile app. When you're done with that, simply press on your profile icon to open the menu. Scroll down and go in settings and privacy. Here you can see the accessibility display and languages section. Press on that, go in display, and then you can see the sound portion in front of you. So if the bar is on the right side, it will be enabled. So you can just simply shift this bar or dot on the left side. So now you are able to disable sound effects on Twitter. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.